Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, pahinga muna yung mga motor natin. So isa sa mga pinaka nauna na sports na inumpisahan ko dito sa US is itong range shooting. Itong gamit guys dito sa US, kailangan nandito siya sa trunk. Tapos punta na tayo sa shooting range. So it's about 5 to 10 minutes away yung Shooter's Paradise dito sa tinitiran namin. Kaya napakalapit guys. Okay, so andito na tayo guys. It's alright if you're gonna be in the video? It's a small channel, so. I'm sorry, what was your question?
Do you need any ammo from us?
No,
You have everything you need?
everything, yeah. I did bought everything here. I don't know if you remember me, but I actually have a membership, but it's already expired, I think. So I heard you guys are under new management.
Yeah, so new ownerships since like 2 months ago, so we're trying to sell out of the old stock. A lot of our firearms are 35% off, so check those out, man. It's good
Yeah, actually, I've been wanting to get one of those 9mm rifles. I'm gonna check it out later after the range.
So it looks like you're all set. You have everything you need.
Yep.
That's perfect.
I'll be just needing a target. Yeah.
Yeah, as long as it's on the side, this won't hurt you.
This one. Just one, please. Number 9? Okay. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay guys, so nakakuha tayo nitong, ito lagi yung target na inukuha ko guys. Okay, medyo tabingi yung ano natin, target natin. So ito yung gamit natin, bala, blazer, ammunition. So dito guys, sa US, napakadali kumuha ng baril. Ano? Actually, nasurpresa ako kung gaano kadali kumuha ng baril dito guys. Okay, so buksan natin. Ito yung gamit natin guys, Glock 19. Meron tayong magazine. So itong bala na gamit nga natin guys, sa blazer, no? Dito sa shooting range guys sa amin, so kahit ilang bala, walang limit yung pwede mong gamitin. So 50 rounds isang box na itong blazer. So ang ginagawa ko guys dito sa amin, nga pala no, dito sa California guys, 10 rounds lang yung mga magazine namin dito. Pero ang ginagawa ko dito guys sa shooting range, lang yung nilalagay ko, no? Tapos 5 din dito sa isang magazine. Pagka nalagyan ko na yung ng ammo itong magazine, but magda-dry fire muna ako. So nag-dry fire na ako. We're ready. Last 10. Check natin yung okay, so nasa 9 pa rin tayo. At least nasa 9 pa rin. Meron lang nawalang isa. Okay, last clip. So that's it guys. Ubus natin yung 50. Hindi nag-misfire yung Glock 19 natin. Itong Blazer ammunition, walang naging problema. Lahat pumutok siya. So kung tatanungin nyo ako kung okay ba tong Blazer ammunition, it's good. Okay? So sa grouping naman, shooting natin, medyo nangalay na dito. Pero at least yung group ng shooting natin nasa 2 inches pa rin. So siguro meron tayong bullseye na mangilan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan yung tumama dyan. Pero yung first na mga shooting natin, o yung first na sets natin, doon natin nakuha. Itong isa na to dito sa last set natin, tsaka ito. I'm pretty sure. This one, tsaka ito. Last set natin yan. So at least meron pa rin tayong bullseye na tira. So balik na natin. Si Glock. Sa bahay natin siya lilipat. So, make sure lang na wala na siya. So, okay, so bam. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng lock. Naka-padlock siya, guys. So dito, Smith & Wesson, Sig-Sauer, Ruger LCP Max 380. So iba-ibang mga caliber, guys. Ito yung Glock 19 na Gen 5. So ang presyo is 556. So, nasa ganyan din presyo yung natin nung bumili tayo. Yeah, so I was looking at 9mm rifles.
Okay.
Do you have one? I mean, what do you recommend? Do you have one for sale?
Yeah, do you have any brand in particular, like in mind? Or
Not really.
That's everything, yeah.
Yeah.
So one option is the Springfield Armory Saint. This one right here, 9mm. That's a great rifle there. That's 35% off right now.
The only thing that really sucks, is the California thing.
For the compliance.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
It's a nice little loophole to be able to own these.
Yeah. Okay guys, so yun yung sinasabi niya, no? Dito kasi sa California. Etong likod ng grip, mismo, meron siyang ganito. Mag-grip ng maayos yung rifle, di ba? Sa bagay, ganito ka lang. So, yan yung susunod na pinag-iisipan ko na unin, guys. So, the 9mm rifles that we have is this one, those two riders the same?
And so this is another 9mm option.
Okay, so this one is...
This one is the same one as the other one.
Okay, so this one is a little bit different. How about the price? What are the
Price,
difference?
this one's $850, $825, and also
825.
35% off.
Okay, and this one is
$12.99 and 35% off.
$12.99. So this one is a lot.
You have a little bit more
expensive.
polymer parts on your Smith & Wesson. Makes
Okay.
it a little bit lighter.
Yan yung dalawa na available nila dito na 9mm na rifles. Smith & Wesson Response at saka itong St. Victor. So yan yung available nila, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of research on these guns, then I'll be back for sure.
Don't think about it too much and come back and buy it.
For sure, man. Already, appreciate your help,
Thank
dude.
you, brother. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day, man.
You too. Okay guys, so yun. Pag-isipan muna natin, check natin yung Smith & Wesson at saka yung Saint na yan, guys. 35% off. Tara, let's! Okay guys, so yun, tapos na tayo sa firing range. Yun yung isa sa sports na inumpisahan ko dito nung unang-unang dumating ako dito sa US way back 2023. Plano ko kasi hindi na ako magmumotor dito. So naghanap ako ng ibang alternative ng sports. At itong firing yung naging pinakamadaling option. Imagine napakadali talaga kumuha dito ng baril, guys. Unang-una kailangan mo lang meron kang driver's license. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng firearm safety certificate. So para magkaroon ka ng firearm safety certificate, kailangan ipasa mo yung test. So meron around 25 or 26 questions na kailangan mong ipasa. So right there and then tinake ko yung exam na yun. Tapos kung maipasa yung exam, doon mismo bumili na ako nung unit natin, yung Glock 19. Meron 15 days na background check. So kukontakin ka nila, sa akin in-email nila ako, in-inform nila ako na pwede ko nang pick upin yung unit ko. So nung pinick up ko yung unit ko, right there and then nag-shooting na tayo. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Gusto ko lang talaga i-share sa inyo yung isa sa mga kahiligan kong sports. Yan nga yung range firing. Doon sa mga viewers na hindi pa pala naka-subscribe, please do hit that like and subscribe button. So again, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.